Hi guys, in today's lesson, I'll be teaching you guys how to merge and split cells in a table in MS Word and about the alignment function and also at last about the formulas option. So first of all, we'll learn how to merge cells in a table. So there's two methods where we can merge cells. I'll be teaching you the first method now, which is the easiest method. Simply select on the cells where you need to merge and select the cells. I'll select like this and right click on simply like this, and there's an option called merge cells. Simply click on it there. So that's very easy method. Now as you can see, the selected cells are now merged. So that's the first method, and let's see the second method. So in this method you need to select the cells where you need to merge, and in the top ribbon you can see option called layout. In that option there's several other options there, and that in there is option called merge. In that option there's another function called merge cells. Simply click on that, and as the before method you can see the selected cells are now merged. So that's the second method where how we can merge cells. And let's get to our next function, which is how to split cells. This is also a very easy way. So first of all you need to select the cells where you need to split, and as the previous method you can see the layout option. Click on it, go to layout option, and in that there's a option in the merge cells, a function which is named as split cells. Simply click on it and a dialog box will be displayed like this, and there's two selections we need to do, where number of columns and number of rows we need to split. So I'll get as number of columns as 8 and 2 rows, and simply click OK. So as you can see, uh, the selected cells are now split into 8 columns, as you can see, and 2 rows. So that's also a very easy function. I hope you guys now understand how to merge cells and split cells. So let's get to our next function, which is about alignments. So in this function, simply select a row, column, or the entire. Either you need to align the entire table. Select where you need to align. I'll simply select these rows, and now in the layout option you can see an option called alignment. So there you can see several options are there: text reduction, cell margins. There's some icons, you can see 9 icons here you can see. So these are the alignment options. This alignment option, which is already the default, is align top left. So this is the default option. I can so the second one is the align top center option. I'll just select on that. So as you can see, the alignment is now in top center option. So if you need to get into top right corner, select on this one here. Now the alignment is top right side. So if you need to get into the align center, select on this one, where you can see it is now center. If you need to get it center left, select this option. If you need to get it center right option, here select this one. If you need to get it to align bottom right, select this one. Bottom center this one, bottom left this one. So these are the 9 alignments you can have in a table in MS Word. either you can select several columns, or the it can be your entire table like this. Look, now the entire table is now aligned center. So that's about the alignment. I hope you can understand the alignment function also now. So let's get back to our next function, which is our last function, which is formulas. So in this also, you just need to select the cell where you need to add a formula like that, and in there there's an option called layout in the ribbon, top ribbon, and there you can see an option called data in the right corner here, and there's another function called formula here. Select on that, and there are several formulas, we can add in MS Word. So I'll get some as examples. So here I'll get to add the total of these numbers here: 20, 45, 10, 15. I need to get the total of these numbers here. Just assume that I need to get the total of these all numbers. So simply what I need to do is uh, here you can see the paste function. There are all the formulas we need here. So I'll be doing to get the sum or the total of these numbers. So there's a function called sum here. Here you can see sum. Select that option. So as you can see in the formula bar, you can see sum, and there's two brackets. Inside that bracket, you need to specifically mention the side. So here's the cell where I need to get the total of the digits in the left hand side of my table. Here I need to get the total here of these numbers which are there in his left hand side. So I need to type left there. Okay, now you can see sum, and in bracket, within brackets, I have typed left. And let's see what we can have. Press OK. Now you can see the total of all these numbers are here 90. So that's the sum function. That means how we can get the total. And here there's another function, another formula. I'll do that as well. How to get the average. Let's see how to get the average. As the previous one, select the cell where you need to get the average, and in the layout option you can see the data option. In there you can see the formula function. Simply click on it, and this is the default one. I just remove that, delete that. Formula bar must be fully blank like this, and in the paste function you can see the functions we need to add. So I need to get the average, so I'll click on average here. Now first, another rule must be you must add the equal sign here. You must add the equal sign before the formula like this. Okay, so now in average, within the brackets, as the previous function, the total function, you need to specifically mention the side where I need to get the average. I need to get the average on the left side number, so I'll type it as left like that. Okay, so the average within brackets, I have typed left, so I'll get the average of the numbers which are to the left side of the selected cell. You can see here left side 25, 20, 10 and 30. I'll get the average of all those numbers here. Simply I got the average of those numbers. So that's another function here, and also I'll be teaching you guys another function, also another formula, which is to find out the maximum uh, digit via maximum digit. So select the cell where you need to add the formula, and in the layout option you can see the data option. In there, there's formula function. Simply click on it and backspace this and keep the equal sign there. That will be really easy for you. And in the paste function, there's the function you need to add. In there I need to get the maximum number. So in there I'll get the max option, max formula. So within the brackets, again I need to type left like this and simply click OK. Here the maximum number here, as you can see, is 50. So with the from a formula I took 50 here. So like that you can add formulas. In these three examples I showed you how to add the formula. So in as you saw in those three, you saw I just typed left because I need to get the total average and the maximum of the left hand side digits. So I'll show you another example. I need to get the total of the number of on these numbers here. I need to get the total of these numbers in this cell. So I'll simply select this cell and go to formula option, and the default one it has bring sum and above. If you type above in these within this bracket, you will get this total of the digits in the above cells. So if you need to get the total of the below cells, you need to simply type below. If you need to get the total of the cells in the right hand side, simply type right like that. So and simply select OK. So that's all about formula. I hope you guys learned a lot from this lesson. So we'll meet you with another lesson soon, and thank you.